How to use a VPN for safe browsing while traveling. When you're traveling, whether for business or leisure, public Wi-Fi networks in airports, hotels and cafes can be a major risk. Cybercriminals often target these networks to intercept your data. That's where a VPN comes in. A VPN encrypts your connection, making it impossible for hackers to access your sensitive information like passwords, banking details, and emails. Imagine browsing safely, even on a network you don't trust. This is what a VPN offers. John recently traveled through several countries and connected to dozens of public networks. Thanks to NordVPN, he stayed protected the entire time. If you're someone who frequently travels, using a VPN should be non-negotiable. Using a VPN is simple. Just download the app, log in, and turn it on. It hides your real IP address, secures your browsing activity, and even allows you to access geo-blocked content, no matter where you are. Whether you're checking your bank account, watching Netflix, or sending important emails, everything is encrypted. John is now browsing securely while traveling using NordVPN. You can try it for free. Link in description.